Look, they grind it fresh, then they put it in the filter. Yeah, it's super smooth. Yeah, you know it's never bitter. They got all the goods for the summer and the winter. Got the Miko cups, cause they never want no litter. That's the Ojo. They got the coffee, tea, and cocoa. That's the Ojo. They gon' serve you like a mojo. That's the Ojo. You can tell just by the logo. That's the Ojo. Try it once and you go loco. That's the Ojo.
Hi, Joe from Ojo Coffee, here today to talk to you about coffee freshness. These beans were roasted a couple of days ago. You can't tell that by looking at the video, but if you were here, you'd be able to smell it. The beauty of fresh roasted coffee is it's got this amazing aroma. The aroma is caused by something called off-gassing. CO2 is the primary gas that is off-gassing when coffee is releasing its aroma, but there are numerous other volatile organic compounds known as VOCs that come off coffee as well. But off-gassing is actually part of the freshness that you will get in a coffee. And the longer it has been, or the quicker the coffee off-gasses, the staler or more rancid your coffee is going to be. So how do you prevent that? Well, the number one way we say to prevent stale coffee is to seek out coffee that has the date stamped on the bottom and buy it within 2 weeks of the date it was roasted and consume it within a week. If you're doing that, there's really no need to do much else other than to store it in an airtight container in a cupboard away from excessive light or excessive heat. There's one statistic that shows for every 10 degrees in increase in temperature, your coffee actually loses its freshness by about 20 times. So that's really cool. Another cool statistic is if you store coffee in a freezer at about minus 18 degrees, which is the domestic freezer, you will prevent off-gassing by a rate of about 50%. So that's pretty cool. One of the neat little contraptions that we have here at Ojo that's been very popular are Airscape containers. Looks like a regular container visually, but it's got this really cool lid with a valve that pulls out. What you do is you put your beans inside, and once the beans are inside, it pushes down all the air out of the container, close your valve, and your beans can store that way. Another statistic from the Specialty Coffee Association of America is that if you take a typical container, which might have about 21% oxygen in it, and you reduce it to 0.5% oxygen, you actually increase the life or the shelf life of your coffee by about 10 times. So Airscape containers, very popular, available at Ojo, won't break. Have a great day.